In our continued series around videos to show how to use our CYRINAE portfolio manager scripts, we're going to use the POAM priority script. This shows how to prioritize your different POAM items to give you the biggest bang for the buck, in essence. What are the ones where if I improve upon them based on risk, raw severity, residual risk, number of machines, things of that nature, based on that, if I start whittling down my task in that order, it's going to give me the most impact. If you click on this link here, that's going to be this one right here, POAM prioritization. This also has different POAM settings as far as weights. What do my weights look like as far as critical, high, medium, and low? How do I want to weight those? Why are they more important? Same thing for your POAM, very high, high, moderate, low, and very low. If you have set residual risk, how do you want to weight these? Why to make these more important? And then based on that and the number of them across devices, it'll actually weight that and give you in reverse order what has the most impact based on your weighted scores here. So let's run this return on investment prioritizer for POAM. That's this one right here. So again, passing in the same parameters that we've been using for some of the other ones that we've shown. You pass in the base URL, you pass in your application key, and your token that you've set up for your API user in OpenRMI Professional. And then you pass it a system key, one that you've granted at least reader access to for that API user for their user permissions. So let's run that and see what we get. We're also going to run a second one just to show you how easy it is to do this. Once your compliance information is loaded into a structured tool that's purpose-built like OpenRMI Professional for your compliance needs, you can actually start to look at the same types of information through the same lens, the same structure, and get some economies of scale there because your whole team is using one structured approach on automating cyber compliance. So let's see what that can actually start to look like for you. So if I look at this one here, I can actually start to see, well, my biggest POAM impact is to look at this right here, 242002. We're going to look at some of this data here in a minute. So it's that one, and then it's this one. Number of devices is 10. That's probably why. This one has 5 with very high. Based on the weights that we have in that file that you can update and run, and the number of devices, it gives you that impact score. This is a mathematical way to actually figure out what should you work on across your team and what gives you the most impact for your cyber compliance and eventually cyber hygiene and cyber security. So let's go look at that, 242002. We are in the Soteria infrastructure system package. Two 42002. There we go. So we have one of them that has it, but we have several more that don't. And that is a challenge. We could go through and filter that based on ongoing. And get the actual numbers that are here as well. Now notice several of these 10, are set for raw severity high. Several others are actually set for residual risk moderate. That's going to reflect in your POAM prioritization because we have 10 right here. If we take this 242002 and we look, there's one there. The other 4 are down here because we haven't added residual risk to those. So your reports are only going to be as good as your data, of course. Just wanted to point that out. But this does give you a mathematical score of which items are the most impactful based on severity, based on number of devices, and based on your weights. And you can quickly run through this, run that report, and see exactly how to whittle down and start making your compliance better, as well as your cyber hygiene easier and your cyber security more improved. Again, this was the CYRINAE Portfolio Manager Scripts. This is a public repo that we have that leverages the OpenRMI Professional external API, grabs a bunch of information, and runs through these settings here to prioritize your POAM work for you. There are more scripts available here, and we're going to go through and run these as we go forward, and we're adding more in here as we go just the same. You can actually come up into here and watch based on this. When we have new releases come out, it gets notified to you. You can also fork the repo here, get your own copy of these, make modifications, or even add your own scripts, combining different high-level API features that you and your team have used, and give that back to the community as well. For more information on OpenRMF Professional, you can look at the link here. You can also look at the link here, jump to that, and see how we can help you automate your cyber compliance. Evaluate it for free for 30 days. Request a live demo. We can interact with you and do some brainstorming, or even try it live on our demo site and see how we can help you and your team automate cyber compliance.